Hello everyone, my name is Tash. In this video, you will learn about Blade Templates Part 2. In the previous video, you have already understand about Blade Template. And here is more detail about Blade Templates. The first one, you will learn about include view in view, or we might say it nested view. And the second is PHP in JS, CF as I've taken, and also header and footer. So in the previous Blade template video, here is continue from that. It's already done. You see here, it's come from the data here user. It's from the controller user. Here is the array of data. We send it to the view here, and then we use for each loop here, and then we refresh like this. Okay, so now we learn about include view or nested view. I want to create one view. Called inner view. Okay, inner blade.php. We write some string here. Just put hello inner view. Save it, and we move to user page here. User page, and then we use includes, and then we put view names. Just put the inner, and then we save it. We just refresh it. Okay, we refresh it. Hello inner views. And this one I don't want to use this. Okay, refresh it again. Okay, and I try to use JS, like we write Csrf here. It means the second one, PHP and JS. We need to close script. Yep, we need to close script, and then we declare one variable data equal JSON. We pass here is the array of data, and we put here users. Sorry. Okay, and then we need to console it. You just write one, and then enter. We put the data here. And this we console our array of data. We save it, and we refresh it again, and we right click on page. We go to inspect. We click on console here. You see is the array of data here. And now okay, in here you can see here's the index 0, 1, 2. I just want to show data. We just highlight this, and then refresh the page. You see here only data, and I want to see only a let you just hide number 1. We'll refresh it. Okay, let's so I cancel it, and I refresh again. Okay, it's come on the array of data here, and now we create header and footer. So I will create one view more called header.blades.php. I just put h3, say this is head the page, and then we include it to our user view here. Includes headers. Save it and refresh it. Yes, and now we want to make some style on it. We go to the header and we create one class ID, class header. Class header. We open style and we close it. We write one CSS function like headers. This is here, and then we just put background. Background. I choose background colors. It's green and white. White is 100%, and height 100 pixels, and the text align each centers. Okay, we refresh the page again. Okay, that's fine. It's our headers, and then we want to create one more footer here. One more footer. Just we write footer.blade.php. We write some string here. 3 h3. This is because this is footers u, and we write some style here. I can copy paste from headers. Okay, I pass here. I want to change the color here. Just put the color is yellow. Sorry, maybe some color yellow. Okay, and we go to user page and we include footers. Refresh it. Okay, that is because of some mistake on styles, and I add some style here. Okay, we need to put the class here. We change here footers. Here footer. Refresh it. Okay, it's fine, but now it's not good, and I will add it to sticky footer here. Then I make it to sticky footer. You write bottom, we put zeros, and position we put absolute position we find where is absolute, just position absolute. Okay, and then we refresh it again. Okay, that's why. Okay, this is finished our header and footer, and you can create more style and will looking good more than this. And okay, I forgot to explain you about the Csrf token, and now we start to understand it. In here we need to use here create Csrf. Okay, it is the token. We refresh it and we right click on the page, we go to inspect. Okay, we look inspect here, we find the token. Here is the token. I check. So why we use token here? Token it means that it is very important when we request some data to the Laravel. It is very important, and Laravel, when we send a request to Laravel, and Laravel will notify that it is authenticated or not. So it means that in order to protect from cross-site request, for example, some user from another site request the data to our application, and the application will notify that it is our page, it is our application or not. So CFOF is very important point in Laravel projects. So that finished our blade template part 2. So if you have any question, you can comment below in my videos. So thank you for watching.